Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing this electric knife sharpener by TER. Here's the box it comes in. It's got 100% industrial diamond abrasives, a 3-stage grinding system, 20-degree golden standards. Shows all the different kind of knives you can do. You can do ceramic knives, fruit knives, Chinese slicing knives, chef's knives, sentoku knives. Kind of gives you some directions on top. There's a label on there for right now. Here's the back of it. Oops, sorry. Here's the side here. 120 volts, 18 watts of power. The size is 300 by 126 by 127 millimeters. Let's take an actual look here. I'll show you guys how to use it. It's got a coarse with a 360 diamond to 600 diamond in the fine, and 1,000 diamond in the polish. It's very quiet. You can sharpen both sides of the knife in each little slot there. It comes with some instructions here on how to basically run it through, and I can show you guys how to run it through. We're going to do a little test here. I've got one of my standard kitchen knives. It's pretty dull. See if I can get you guys a close-up here. Not in the worst shape, but especially the tip there, you can see it's pretty dull. So we got an apple and a piece of computer paper here. So we'll start off by seeing if this will cut the computer paper. Let's see if we can get it. So it does cut, but not all the way through. So we will see how it does after we sharpen it. I haven't sharpened yet. This is the pre-test. The apple cuts through, but it kind of slides off. It doesn't necessarily catch great. So we'll see if it improves. We'll cut the other side next after we sharpen it. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to sharpen it here. Start by cleaning off the knife. Just going to clean it off here with a dish towel off screen. Turn on your machine here. Get you guys at an angle. So you're going to run the side through and just pick up. And already I can see I'm getting a much sharper knife edge here. You can do the same thing with the other side. Again, you're going to pull it through slow, steady pressure. Don't want to press too hard. Just kind of hold it like a feather is what they say. It's nice and sharp. We'll do one more on this side. Now we're going to move over to the fine. So I'm going to take my knife, turn it on the machine. We're going to run it through the course first. You just want to hold it nice and light like a feather. Make sure you press down on the tip as you bring it out. That will sharpen the tip up for you. Now I'll do the other side so you get both sides of the knife. Let's see. I'm already seeing it looking a lot sharper now. Pretty impressed. Let's go ahead and do the fine. And then we'll move on to the polish. See how it looks after the fine though. Looking pretty good. I bet you we can get it polished up pretty nice here. It's a real shiny edge at this point, and it's looking really sharp. You kind of just have to try it a few different times to get your rhythm going. It looks like we got a nice polished edge here. Let's turn off our machine. Back to our test here. Let's try the paper first. So I'm going to move you guys back a little bit. Try the other side. As you can see, this is what we had last time. Ooh, yeah, guys. Cut right off. Way sharper. Let's try it over here. Some of it's user error, but especially the edges, you can get a nice clean cut right through the paper. That's just after a few minutes of sharpening. Let's see how it does on the apple. Yeah, you can get real nice thin slices now because it just catches way better. Look how much thinner that slice is compared to what I was getting earlier. Pretty happy with that, guys. The knife looks great. There's a little cleaning area down the bottom. If you turn it over, you can see you can clean it and get the little pieces out of metal that come off the knife sometimes. But overall, guys, it's a pretty awesome product. I highly recommend it. You can use this to sharpen all the knives in your kitchen. I'll put a link down below where you can check it out. If you found the video interesting, fun, or helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you all next time.